is Mr. TG. This is lesson number 3 in section 4.4. We're continuing our lesson on factoring. In this case, we're going to be concentrating our efforts on factoring trinomials. If you check out your notes, lesson number 1, you see a trinomial that's listed, x squared plus 9x plus 14. It takes the general form of x squared plus bx plus c. Our goal again here is to break this down into two binomial factors. All right. Now the way we start this, if x squared has got an a term of 1, we can start by simply putting x here and x here. Remembering that when we factor this, we need to be able to FOIL this back together again to get the original trinomial. So once I put values in here, I'm going to FOIL this to make sure it equals x squared plus 9x plus 14. Now, if both of these are plus, you can simply put 2 plus signs in your binomials. That's always going to have to be. Now the question is, what numbers do I place here? I got a couple options because I know these two are my last terms and they have to multiply to give me 14. So your choices are 1 times 14 or 2 times 7. Those are the only ways we can get 14. You are looking for factors that not only multiply together to give you 14, but at the same time add up to be 9. Again, you're looking for factors of the last term that multiply together to give you 14 and at the same time add up to be 9. And I think you would agree that 2 times 7 is 14 and 2 plus 7 is 9. That is what you put in to your binomials, 2 and 7. If you FOIL this, you'll see that it works. The first term's x squared, outside term's 7x, inside term is 2x, your last term is 14, and the 2x and 7x added together is 9x. So you successfully have factored a trinomial into two binomial factors. Now what I'd like to have you do is take that and try number 2 and 3 and 4. Okay, those are all the trinomials we're going to factor. 2, you'll notice that we have a minus here, minus 7. So our product, you know, when we set this up into two binomials, again, our first terms have to be b and b. That's the only way that's going to work. But we're looking for all the factors of 12 that multiply together to give you 12 and at the same time add up to be a negative 7. In 3, you're looking at all the factors of negative 20 that multiply together to give you a negative 20 and add up to be a negative 1. And in 4, all factors of negative 18 that multiply together to give you negative 18 and at the same time add up to be positive 7. So go ahead and try and factor the rest of these. I'm going to hit pause. Good luck. And when you come back, I'll have these completed for you and we'll go over your results. Okay, welcome back. As you can see, I've factored all the trinomials. Hopefully your answers match mine. Just to kind of go through this, number 2 is a trinomial b squared minus 7b plus 12. Made a list of all the ways we can get a positive 12 and at the same time a negative 7. For that to happen, they both must be negative. So I use minus 3 and minus 4. I know minus 3 times minus 4, a negative 4 is going to give me a positive 12 and at the same time give me the negative 7 that I need when I add the O and I together. So there's my answer, b minus 3, b minus 4. That's your correct binomial factors. Number 3, notice negative 20 is my last term. There's a lot of options there. So I use 4 and negative 5, which gave me the negative 20. 4 and negative 5 together will also give me a negative 1. So there it is, x plus 4 and x plus minus 5. And then the last one here, x squared plus 7x minus 18. You're looking at all the options for the last term are here. I use negative 2 times 9. That's negative 18 because negative 2 plus 9 is a positive 7. So there's your correct binomial factors of each one of these trinomials. Hopefully that went well. Our last video coming up will be factoring trinomials whose a term, which is the a term here, is greater than 1. So good luck with this and tune in for the next video.